Souvenir.
Oh, kung ka nagdalag phone, wala kayo. Okay, sir, I will assist my lights. You see your videos of your wife. Yeah,
I'm gonna do a dance. Do a TikTok.
Hawak ko ang beat. Nabay. Hawak ko ang brief.
Hawak ko ang big hawak. Muna na din haang kuan.
I don't know. Ask how this all works here. I don't. That's why you're here. Figure out what we do now. I'm guessing we gotta. We're putting on life jackets. Holy smokes! So there's a tour of some sort, huh? So we'll have the view from the back. Wow, that's kind of cool. Yeah.
Sige, sige.
Wow. This is
Kasama yung mga guest dito sa likuran. Ayan po sila, ma. Ito na, ma. Hindi na dito, ma. Wait, kita kadali, ma. Kay na-picture pa sila, oh.
So it tells me I better hold on while I go down this thing. Whew.
Oh, kana. Okay. Hindi off, atras lang po.
Here's the lights. We are ready.
Nice. We have a light.
Sir, also this ladder here, sir, is 24 steps on. And also the 15, also it's a little bit steep.
All right. Duly noted.
Take your time also, sir. Now we're going down. No need to rush. No need to rush here. Important here is always slowly but surely.
See what I'm looking at here.
Careful.
Mama, yeah. Para sakto na sure lang yun, ha? Importante lang yun na safe lang kita.
Yeah. Honey,
Holy balls, huh? All right.
Powerful,
that's perfect.
slowly but surely lang yun.
Yeah. I gotta turn this off.
Perfect. Alright.
Lights on.
Lights on.
Ma'am. Okay na, ma'am.
Oh, okay kaayo.
Oh?
Yay!
Okay, last ladder here, only 11 steps.
Okay, another steps. What's your step?
First steps, watch me what? Yeah, there's some more. Yeah, some more.
Oh, okay.
Is that waiting on me?
Of course.
Yeah, ma'am, yeah. Yeah. Then off again your lights.
Huh?
I think the last photo you here, just keep on
I like that. I love that.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 3, 1, 2, 3. Last one. With the keys.
Yes.
With the keys. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay.
Naigo.
Dali po di ma'am.
Wait.
One more.
One more.
Ano sa kuha na yun? Wait. With the keys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ito. Okay. Dali mo. Lights on, lights on.
Lights on.
Pagkaigo, bitang-tang dayon. Nakatong muna ni mo, oh. Okay. Wala na igo, okay. Igo kayo. Okay. Ito naman daw, 150 meters ang kita ko. Okay ha?
Yes.
Wala dito ito bulangon.
Baka hindi ko maumulang mo. Ibig sabihin.
Ito naman.
Uh-huh.
Hindi lang mahulog mo. Wala. Ayun dumi na po. Sir, nothing takes in your pocket.
No.
Be careful with your key.
Yeah. I think we're okay.
Yeah. Sir, take a photo first.
From here. Starting from here.
Hey. Ito na guys, yung mga guest ko. Nagpalutan na po dito sa Kingdom sa Tino.
Pero magmatuwad ko.
Ha? Ay, so patuwad-tuwad yan. Unya na.
Kaya naakas ko.
What?
Okay. Gusto mo na?
It's another.
Ang kuan ganing ni. Kinahanglan mo ka it kay musaka man matuwad.
Okay na siya.
Okay.
It's over your head.
Okay.
Oh, this is cool. Not just water.
It's okay. Ma'am, okay na ma'am?
Yes. It's good. Are you sure na going to handle your
Huh?
you gonna handle your
Yeah.
phone?
I just want to keep it out of the water. So I don't want it to get wet. It isn't a waterproof case, but I don't want it to get wet. Wow, this is neat. This is neat.
Ay, kabaraka sa imong cellphone mo.
This is neat.
Okay.
Yeah, alright.
Walang kasabit-sabit yung video dito. Napakalinaw. Yan.
Wow, huh?
Wow.
How about the water, sir? It's perfect?
Oh, it's very nice.
Yes.
It's just refreshing.
Yes, because also it's a spring water.
Oh.
Yeah, also it's a running water. And also it's a very good smell because you see there in the ceiling, oh, no bats live here in the front of this water.
I see, no
Because
bats.
example, if you have the bats to live here, also the water here, also it's very smelly.
Yeah, bad shit.
Yeah,
Right?
bat. Oh.
Guano. My goodness, it's pretty deep here, isn't it?
Almost 15 feet deep here.
Yeah,
15 feet.
yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, basa-
Thank God, because I have life jacket.
Basa na kina ma'am.
Nabasa.
Sobra pagit sa basa na. Hey guys, this is our guest here. We swim here in this cave of Sikihor. Always here in Sikihor, here in Sambulawan, underground fever.
Oh, there you go.
Always
Commentary.
Meow, 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 meow. Like professional swimmer.
Mo nang nakita yung life test, ma'am. Swimmer man taon dili, man tatuloy kita nga butang.
Ito.
Okay nga no. O, relax lang ka muna kay life test.
Dito, murag.
Dili kasi ito galing nga ma-pressure imong lawas ug langoy-langoy. How is it, sir? It's okay?
Yeah, we're just fine.
Enjoy your night swimming here, this Skateboard City Hall. Always night swimming here. It's always dark here.
Oh my goodness, I didn't realize this is so amazing.
And so amazing, but in the nature to me. Wala kang kasabit-sabit talaga yung video nyo dito. Napakalinaw. Hindi ko siya against the light. Kasi po, pina-off ko yung mga lights nyo. Yan guys, ito yung pinakabida dito guys, yung sarapan. Ayan. It's a miracle. Yung wapat na katunga ma'am ha?
What pa?
Wag ma'am.
There's more.
Also, when we going back, sir, also it's the same way.
Yeah.
Yeah, because also this is the end there. And also the end of this hole, also the source of the water is there. The spring water.
There's more.
There's a dog in here?
There's
So dito na lang yung video nga tungkol sa pinaka-end. Pagbalik na to kasi umuwi na lang pwede na sa guri ko mag-video.
Oh.
Stop sana ko ni kadali ma'am ha.
Oh, sige pa.
Ay, naapay nag-picture.
Okay.
Yeah, also sir, this is the halfway here.
Halfway.
Halfway, huh?
Ma'am, samtang nagpaabot ka. Picture.
Ah, sige, sige. Okay. Do a picture.
One more. Really want to use with the red light.
Ooh, red light. Red light, green light.
Ngayon, train na sad. Ulo mo. Ulo sad.
One more.
Ang jaga yung sangko. Yung sambod. Okay, ma'am. Gunit ko ma'am sa
Sir,
mga
off your lights first on your phone. Oh?
Cellphone.
Oo, nagsalita din kamay, oh. Yan,
Okay,
naman.
perfect.
Oh? Oh.
Okay.
Awan yung mga picture, ma'am. Di ba? Digin mo magmahay.
Wow, di good.
Kamu katong dito, oh. 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 Oh.
Wow.
Video ninyo, video.
Wow, dude, I'm gonna send that to you.
Oh. Okay, paagi-agi din. Also here, back to swim again here. Slowly, sir, ha? Sideways. Yes.
Alright.
Then back to swim again here. Float like a mango. Mango float, because it's here. So guys, this is the halfway here. Now so you start to swim again here, start to the halfway. 20 and here in Sunflower Underground River. Yes, this is our guest here.
Hannah and Scott.
Yes.
Ah, this is neat,
Now
actually.
you know the name of this guy, this guest here. And also the guy here is Robert. Here in Sunflower Underground River.
Wait.
Okay ma'am, ipa-off sana ko na.
Oh, di ay.
Karon in, oo.
Oh, di ay.
Kaya ang video niyo diri as in super clear.
Claro.
Di siya against the light.
Hmm?
Yes. So watch out because there's a
Ma'am, ulo ha. Ulo ha. Sir, watch your head. Watch your head, sir ha.
I'm okay. Yep, I'm okay. Not to worry. But the dog's back.
there's a dog inside the cave.
Ma'am, hayop.
Ay, iro, kami ang mama ako. Ay, iro.
Hayop na to kay na, ma'am. Ako na po yun. Iyak mo to kay sa likod na. Hayop to hayop. Anda.
Ma'am, nakatungay.
Hindi na, ma'am. Nana sa iyong likod.
Pasensya na ma'am ha. Kasi medyo traffic. Good ha? Wala pa naman siya kasi naway din lingkod.
Is this the return trip?
Nakapag-video.
Ang imong tour guide na ma'am sa baan mo na iro.
Hello. Uy, mag-iaan na yan di sir. Hello, sir. Ayaw, anay. Kaya di ba naagi pa? Traffic pa traffic.
Hello.
Hello. Isn't me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. Good evening, my friend. Welcome to overnight swimming. Also, sir, this is here. This is not so deep here. But be careful also. There's a lot of rocks in the bottom. Careful, be careful.
Itam ka na ang leg. Tulog yapon.
Oh, there's more inside.
Dirito ma'am, dirito ma'am.
Maayo.
Sir, also here, sir. Watch your head.
Diikat yung kawan niya. Basta yan mo yung
Did you do what? You can do what?
I'm just touching you. I can kind of touch.
Oh, I see.
And you?
I
Yeah,
can't.
ma'am. Yes, I'm dua, ma'am. Oh.
Here.
Sir, it's okay. You can stay there first. Because there's two groups there to taking a photo at the end of this whole. Yeah. So just wait first the other group. When we pass, I will stop it first this video, then we take a
So pag-amping lang mo dito kay ang akong kamot na ibilin, idira. Ikaw ni Lolong.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, here, sir. Also, here, sir, this is the end of this hole. And also, all of the rock formation here are also very natural. All of this area here is now man-made here. And also, we take a video also here. And also, look at these rocks here, all like a sitting
Wow,
man or
that's
sitting
nice.
Buddha. You see?
Yes, yes, yes.
And also the stalactite there, also like a form to make like a jellyfish. And also, all of the source of the water also starts here under the rocks. It's a spring water. All of the water starts here, running, going there outside. You see all of the rocks here, sir. Oh, it's no moss.
Yeah.
Hello, guys. This is the end of this hole. Yes, and the source of the water is there. Okay, ma'am. Dito ma'am, ulit ko din ang picture before kami post. Sir, looking up there, first, we take a photo before we going back. We're going back. We want to go. Slowly and careful, sir, ha?
Here?
Yeah. Pwede mo. Yes. And nice off.
All right.
Right. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, hinayang ka na ako, ha? Slowly.
Okay, let's go.
Sir, slowly, we're going down, ha?
Did
Slowly.
you take a video here?
Yeah, I got it on right
Slowly,
there.
sir. Show your head, watch
Oh,
your
be
head.
careful.
Just give me a minute.
Slowly. Your head. Ma'am, may ulo mo, ma'am. Tignan mo, ma'am. Kaya isa lagi yung ulo ni mo, ma'am. Hindi problema ni sir, kahit dua ka ulo kami. Pero sa gabi, minsan mo. It's okay, sir?
All right, hold on.
Your head also here.
We're good. Alright.
Hinay mo, ma'am.
Okay, let's go.
Ma'am, hinay mo. Ang babae lagi, usay ulo, piruduhin mo.
Buhay na oh.
Oo.